Yo, alele. If I the mama can, you man can.
Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Stephanie. Please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and joining the family. And to my returning subscribers, hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this delicious palm oil rice. I will call it seafood palm oil rice. So let's not waste much of our time. Let's get into this video. Welcome back. So yeah, these are the things we're going to be using for this palm oil rice, or should I call it mini seafood palm oil rice. Yeah, so these are the things we're going to be using. First, this is our rice, the baba of the cooking. And then this is mackerel fish, aka Titus fish. This is snails. I have some small snails. They call it local snails, but they said it's sweeter. And then I have these shrimps I picked from my fridge. So this is scent leaf, not mint leaf. This is scent leaf. And then I have chopped tomatoes here to garnish it. And then I have onion here. I have purple sliced onion. It's purple, not white. So yeah, I have my palm oil here, another baba. So I have my roughly grounded Scotch bonnet pepper, and then I have iru also for the flavor. I have salt here, and then I have this seasoning cubes. I'm using this Maggi crayfish because obviously I'm making seafood. I'm making it with seafood. So I decided to just use this crayfish Maggi also to bring out the flavor. I also have this fish seasoning here. I like using this seasoning because anytime I'm doing anything that has to do with seafood. Yeah, so that is it for that. Let's get into this cooking. And then this rice is already washed with hot water and salt. I didn't parboil. I love making my rice that way. So yeah, let's get into this cooking. So I'll be starting with the snails. I've already washed and cleaned them up neatly, and then I want to cook them first for it to get softer, and then for the ingredients I'm using to get into it to make it sweeter, if that makes sense. So first I'm adding the seasoning, the fish seasoning powder into it, and then I'll also go ahead to add pepper to it. Let the pepper enter into the right places to make it sumptuous to make it sweeter while eating it. I don't know, but that's just what I want. That's how I just want to do it. I believe it will make it softer and then sweet. So I will also be adding a little onion. This is just to release all its flavors, like all of them will come together, release their flavor and make it sweet. And then I'll be adding salt to it for taste too as well. I'll be adding half of the seasoning cube, the crayfish seasoning cube I showed you guys earlier too as well. Yeah, so that is it. I'll just let it cook. I will be adding a little water to help it cook and make it softer. And then I'll just cover this and let it cook for some time. Maybe let's say 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, or 10 minutes. I'm just trying to stir it to make everything come together. So yeah, I'll just cover it right now, and then we'll let it cook for some time and continue the cooking. So yeah, this is it. After I think 30 minutes or so, I'll be adding the fish now, the mackerel fish, aka Titus fish, and also I'll also be adding the prawns now as well. So everything will just cook together, and then we'll just continue cooking from there. So yeah, this is the shrimps, rather I said prawns. These are the shrimps I'm adding as well. So after adding these, I will add the half of the seasoning cube remaining, and then I will also add the fish seasoning powder just to give it more taste. And then I'll add some Scotch bonnet pepper. As Nigerian girl, there must be pepper, so it will help in the esophagus. Don't mind me. So I just added water. I will stir everything together, and then I'll let it cook again by covering it, and we'll return later. So yeah, we're back. We're going to be checking it now, and then the fish is done, though everything is ready actually. So I'm going to take out the fish because I want to grill it. I'll be using my air fryer for it. Yeah, so this is me trying to pick the fish and put inside the air fryer pan. So I'll grill it with the air fryer. I want it dried. I don't want it soft. I want to grill it to be very dry. That is deal. So yeah, I'll be removing the snails now. So we'll continue cooking our rice. We'll start cooking our rice. We've not started cooking, so we are not continuing. We'll start cooking it. So yeah, let's go into the rice itself. In a pan, I'll be putting palm oil, and then I'll be adding my diced onion. I'll just stir this and let it cook for some time. Then I'll bring in my iru for the flavor. Like iru, how can I cook palm oil rice without iru? Is that one palm oil rice? So yeah, I'll bring back my snails and shrimps. I don't know why I keep calling this thing prawns. They are shrimps, not prawns. So I'll be mixing everything. I just want to put the snails and the shrimps inside the oil to fry for some time so that everything will release their flavor into each and into one another. Flavor will be jamming flavor inside. So yeah, this is it. After some time, I just fried it for let's say 3 minutes or so, and then I'll be adding the rice. So after adding the rice, I'm going to combine everything. I'll stir everything to combine everything together. Stir it properly to combine everything together. That's what I'll be doing now. So yeah, this is it. Although I've not stirred everything very well, but I just want to add the stock from the fish, snail and shrimps that was cooked earlier. And then I'll add more water just to help so that it will help the rice cook better. Yep. Yeah, so I'll just stir this again just to combine everything together. So I'll go ahead now to add the remaining Maggi crayfish seasoning cube, the remaining one I showed you guys earlier in the beginning of this video. So I'll add the remaining one. And then I'll also add the fish seasoning powder. I'll just sprinkle a little bit on it again. Yeah, so we'll continue. Yeah, I'll also add another scotch bonnet pepper. For me, if I'm making palm oil rice, there must be pepper. When I mean pepper, there must be pepper. I want it spicy. So yeah, I'll be adding a little more of the scotch bonnet pepper. And then I'll just add a little water because I notice the rice is still strong, a bit stronger. So I'm just adding water. Then I'll turn to combine everything together. Yep. So I'll just add my fresh sliced tomatoes now. Yeah, this is just to garnish it and for flavor. I want all the flavors from all these things I'm adding to be jamming each and every one, to be jamming themselves together. This voiceover will be so funny. And then I'll just cover it and then allow it to cook. We'll come back later. Yeah, so we are back. Let's see how our food is doing. Voila! This is it. I think now it's soft. So I'm just trying to hold the pot and turn everything properly, stir everything properly together. So yeah, this is it after stirring everything together. And then I'll be introducing our scent leaf now for more flavors to be jamming themselves inside this rice. Yeah, so I'll just stir it again to combine the flavors, to combine all the flavors together. Turn it, turn. Oh my goodness, oh my me. So yeah, we're just going to be stirring it properly now to combine everything together. Remember to combine the flavors together. So after I'm done stirring this, I'll be introducing back our mackerel fish. You remember our mackerel fish now? Yeah. So we'll add it back into the rice, now, so that flavors will continue jamming flavors inside this food. Yeah, voila. This is what our food looks like. This is our end results. Can you see that? Butter. Honestly, this rice came out so yummy. Yummy goodness. Yeah, so we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe please if you're not subscribed yet. Please, now subscription is free. Subscribe and help this channel to grow. Leave a comment and tell me how yummy you think this food is. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.